Hello everybody and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Look at my streak coming through there. Oh, lovely. I'm going to be Cruella de Vil before we know it. I need to get some hair dye. That's on the list to buy today. Anyway, today I am at B&M. I've just drove here, as you can see. It is about to start absolutely chucking it down. So I've come to the Red Ruth one. As you can see, like out here, can you see? That's big Tesco, like Tesco Extra. The side of it's gone. So maybe they're finally fixing the store, but the side of it has completely gone. There's like no side to Tesco, so there's that. Anyway, that's not the point. Today we're at B&M. That's what I'm trying to find. I'm trying to find the Petit Treat mug. I really want one. I'm a bit late to the party, so I doubt I'm going to find one. I know lots of people are hunting around for them, but I'm feeling optimistic. My sister's birthday's at the end of the month, so I figured I could buy her one as well if I come across them. But I really want one. I figured I hit 20k last week. Like, I deserve a little treat. I told myself 2026 I wasn't going to buy any more mugs, but here we are. We're on the hunt for a mug again. This is so silly, but I love a little mug. What can I say? And it's just a little treat. So let's go in, see what they've got. I figured we'd just whip out the camera and then we can see what they've got together. I've also got my TK Maxx bag again. Look at it, it's so cute. The mug would match perfectly with that, but yeah, with all that being said, let's just get in there, get in B&M before the rain actually really starts. Stop it, walking in, what I just saw, a Haribo hamper with all strawberry things in. How good does that look? I wonder if it's actually going to be worth the money. I find B&M hampers usually aren't, but look at all those bits in there. I love all of those, especially strawberry softies. They are by far my favourite. Oh, and the little heart throbs. I also love the strawberry little sticks there. Oh my goodness. There is only, what, 7 bags of sweets? I suppose it's not too bad. And they come in a box. I know they are all like sort of £1 around here anyway, so you could do it, couldn't you, without the box? And let's add that all up. What is that? 99p, 115, 125, so they're not more than 125 each anyway. But that does look cute, doesn't it? Lots of Malteser-y things there. Look. Oh, I love a Malteser. Do you know what? I don't actually like the texture of like the Malteser part inside the Malteser. You know, when you bite it, it kind of feels like polystyrene, doesn't it? Cream egg. You know what? It's a travesty how much cream eggs cost this year, I swear. Look at all the Easter eggs. Do you know what? We're going to come back and do some Easter videos, I think, like in a couple weeks' time, just so that it's a bit closer to the time. But it is very stocked up in here if you want to be, you know, an eager beaver. But I'm going to try and find the brunch bit first of all, because, you know, eyes on the prize. Oh, look, they've got those little eggs that people are liking, you know, these ones. Well, I know they're in here now. Oh, that's a sweet mug as well. Look at that one. £3. Yeah, I'm going to go through all the Easter stuff. I am going to go down to Pendant actually for that one, because I think they usually have a slightly bigger range. Love that vase. Look at that, £7 of those bunnies on. Imagine that with tulips in. Got some fake daffs there, but I like real ones, to be honest. But I think that would be really cute, wouldn't it? Napkin rings again. I never use a napkin ring, so let's go up here a second. This is the Christmas stuff. Lots of Christmas stuff still in here now. Look, they're PJs in the sale, £4. They're cute with the bows on, aren't they? You could wear them right now for Valentine's Day. They're not really, you know, that Christmassy, are they? With the bows on. Nice little hot water bottle. You know what you have to do here. You have to get your app out and scan the things, because they always end up so much cheaper on the app when you actually scan the prices. Then you're like, oh yeah, I'll get that. You know, like my hot water bottle that was meant to be £10 and I got it for £1. Anyway, hunting round, rambling on now. Where is the brunch stuff? This aisle? No, that looks like special buys. This one? No, that looks like garden and other special buys. I bet it's back with like the normal Homeware, isn't it? I reckon it is, you know. Let's go back there, have a little look. Well, it's either that or they're not going to blimmin' have any of the raves I want. Come on. They've got Valentine's Day bits down there. Let's go down this one. Hope for the best with this one. That's a nice vase, isn't it? I don't know why I'm getting sucked into them. Like, I don't really use vases or vases, whatever you want to call them. I like that checkered throw. £5. That probably would have been a bit better than the throw I actually went for from Asda. You know, the checkered one with the little hearts on.
told me to tell me that that's really tacky. So we have a throw hater on our hands. Look at these little candles. They're kind of like, what are they? Like little cans. Sweet cherry. Oh, it smells nice. I like that too. A little very nice frame. It's only £3. Look at that. But they've got a cherry one too. Anyway, eyes on the prize. Where is the brunch stuff? I swear this always happens to me. Like I never find what I'm actually looking for. Next style. Is that mustard flavoured candle? Surely not. It doesn't smell like mustard. It says mustard sauce flavoured candle. It doesn't smell like mustard. I thought it was going to smell like, you know, Dijon mustard or something. Okay, Valentine's Day stuff. Just like chocolates and gifts and everything. We've got these little lollies. Look at those. Aren't they cute? I love you, big cookie. I heard that the cookies in this, well, in B&M are not very nice. So I've never actually been brave enough to try one. Stop it. I have not seen any of this stuff in person yet. Look at that heart plate with the pink edges. You're joking. I love it. Little heart-shaped dip bowls. Stop, so cute. A little drinks thing there. A heart. Bath mat. Oh, it actually feels alright, actually. It's not like, you know, the fluffiest, but it is very soft. Okay, croissant pyjamas. That's as close as we've got to the mug so far. It is cute. Oh, stop it. I love that. That's really nice, actually. Like a nice natural cotton fooling fabric. £8, embroidered heart cushion. What's this? Yeah, fabric is 100% cotton and fern is polyester. That's lovely. Love the scratch edge on that. That would look great on my bed. I have white bedding, so I think that will look really nice. And then on this side, we've got some sort of baby event. Not the brunch club that I'm after. Where is the brunch club? I've got baby stuff. I'm just going to give you a little overview so then you can kind of see like the prices and everything, just in case this is some stuff that you're after. Oh, look at that mug. Look at that one, a little flower mug. That again is not what I'm after, but it's very, very sweet, isn't it? How much is that one? £3. It feels like that's just been kind of dumped there. More flower ones with little daisy on. I think the little tulip's cuter. Where's the Petit Treat mugs? Okay, we're going to go to the kitchen mug section, okay? But hopefully they'll have it in there. Fingers crossed anyway. Oh, look at that one. Those little bees. Little daisies, and some new monogram mugs with butterflies on. I've not seen those yet. Oh, but little tubs with daisies on down there. Look at those. They almost look like little flower glasses with different colours in there. Brunch club tablecloth, look, with little drawings on. What are the drawings on them actually? Bows, jelly, coffee. There's like a little cinnamon swirl on there. Cute. Again, not what I'm after. Cute those are. Not up here. I did find the brunch section. A girly's looking at it, so we'll give her a second. Look at that one. Grow with the flow. They're cute. I saw these in the Penzance store, I think, didn't I? Did I ever show those? I'm pretty sure I showed the yellow one. That's so sweet. The little daisy handle as well. £3 on those. Let's look at their little sheet. Okay, they're not due to be here. Everything that is here is on there. I love it when they leave out the sheets because then you know kind of what's coming. Oh, look at that. You got this. I would prefer it to say you got this, but I like that. It's embossed on there as well. And this one's good morning. So cute. Look at this one. Dog person. Do you know what? I am a dog person. Oh, and they got cat person ones. Look at these. Really sweet little pastel mugs, aren't they? What's that one? Oh, the Dalmatian. Stuff it. How much are they? £2.50. I'll a bar on them. And some drinking straws. £3 for the rainbow ones. And then the brunch stuff's down here. Did I see the mug? No. No, I did not. The girly was there looking at all of these bits too, so I assume they've sold out, because look, there they are on the picture. They have none. They were supposed to be coming in on the 25th, so we are definitely late. I don't know why they've still got out all of their bits, but oh, so sweet. What are they though? Little spoons, glass spoons. I don't think I have a use for any of those. The croissant plate there though. How cute is that? Oh, I just want the mug. That's all I want. I've got the water bottle and the glass sippy cup. A little dream plate. That's cute, isn't it? And they do have tea towels. They just don't feel very nice. I prefer a TK Maxx tea towel, but the embroidery is really sweet on there. The jelly, croissant, cafetiere. That one's really sweet actually with the patterns on. And these are the ones that I like, you know, like the ones that are like towels. But I don't really like the feel of that one. It's kind of like microfibery. Bow mug. It's cute, but it ain't the other one. It ain't the one I'm after. Now what I am after was Sillet Bang, the mould remover stuff. You know how before I went round searching for this for a while and found it in here? Turns out it is, in fact, a 10 out of 10, and I really recommend that. Also need fabric conditioner. Which one am I going to go for today? I have no blooming idea. This one here looks good. Let me give it a sniff.
Okay, so mug hunt was unsuccessful. This is going to be a problem because I want it now. So I'm thinking we will go down to Big B&M down at Penzance in a couple of days' time. See if we can find it. Going today, however, it's just not an option. It's not an option. Can you hear the rain? It's insane. So mini B&M haul. Here's what I got. Sillet Bang black mold remover. Is this stuff 10 out of 10? We bought it together before. I tried it because I used to be the Astonish like stan. That one, insane, and I've used it all. I went round and I sprayed all of my shower curtains, all of my grout with it. Just, oh my lordy, I don't know what it is. It's like some sort of bleach with bicarb or something in it. It just sticks better, it wipes off better. I'm a convert. So I went with this fabric conditioner. I couldn't decide on the smells, but I smelt the load of them and I went with this one. That looked pretty good. I spied a new little elbow grease minky scrubby pad. It's Valentine's Day. How cute is that? 99p. Yeah, I just need a couple of new ones, so I picked up this one. I scrubbed down the inside of the fireplace yesterday, so you can only imagine how that was looking. I used to buy just the minky brown ones, but actually I like the elbow grease ones. It's like microfibery but like flat on this side and still just a scrubber. So yeah, elbow grease for the win, because for the win, I haven't said that in ages, but elbow grease for the win. Really like them, and the 99p. Got myself a little snack, mint poppets, underrated snack. These are gorgeous. I love a mint creamy situation, lovely, and a Dr. Pepper cherry crush, because you know I couldn't get me mug, so it was rude not to get a little drink and a snack, wasn't it? I could have had a mug for that, but they didn't have any. So yeah, I will go down to Penzance, so stay tuned. This mug is going to be mine. I'm not going to pay resellers for it. No, I'm not. And I'm going to find two, one for me and one for my sister, and it's going to be a glorious time. Ooh, these are like wicked. I love these. For anyone who hasn't tried these before, anyone in America, they're kind of similar to Junior Mints, only a little bit more dense. They're not quite as soft and flat, they're more round. Let me get one out. I love a Junior Mint as well. That's what they're like. See, they're like rounded, almost a bit more solid than a Junior Mint, because Junior Mints you can kind of squish them. They're like hard Junior Mints. So if you put Junior Mints in a fridge, that's what these are like. But yeah, that was fun. B&M. Do you know what? There was a little bit of a fiasco at the till. Hold on. The lady next to me, right? She was calling over the guy who was doing my till. Anyway, fast forward, what had happened was this lady was disputing the price. She was like, there's no way my shopping should cost that much. Turns out the person before her like had all their shopping scanned. It didn't go through the payment, so it stayed on there. And then the lady obviously didn't realize that, the cashier lady, so then she started adding the new person's stuff on, and then they had all of the previous person's shopping on. So they had to get a manager out, because by that point the person had left. But I mean, if I'm being honest, the till lady wasn't really on it. I switched tills from her till because she was taking so long. So yeah, that happened. Someone got the shopping for free, so that's nice. I assume they tried to pay and it just didn't go through and no one realised, but that's that. Anyway, so I've got my shopping now. I'm gonna go home. Mugless. But I am gonna put on some washing, which I can do now because I have fabric conditioner, and have a nice clear up of the house. A very exciting day, isn't it? Not. But it's better to be inside when it's absolutely tipping it down. So I hope you're having a fantastic day. Enjoyed hanging out with me, B&M, on part 1 of the mug hunt. And I shall see you in my next video. I love these. I just realised I've been talking with my mouth full of poppets. Sorry about that. That's really rude, but I don't care. They are in fact delicious. Anyway, I hope you have a great day, and I shall see you very soon for another video. Bye.